today is the day. I believe that nobody's perfect and nobody's, has it all figured out. And I think that's what second chances or being given a second chance is all about, with places, with cities, with houses. I think that's an amazing story that we all want to hear.
Oh man, we got a lot of work to do. Wow, I know we said second chances, but this is a lot.
I'm Ricky Smith, and I run a nonprofit that's all about spreading kindness. I've traveled the country, giving back all kinds of big ways. But now, I'm coming home to Cleveland to help Loctite tackle their biggest project yet. Loctite believes in giving things a second chance. They partner with Habitat for Humanity and are on a mission to save a condemned house using simple, sustainable techniques, and in the end, create a new home for a deserving family. Loctite has brought together a team of DIY trailblazers, upcyclers, and remodel experts focused on high-quality, sustainable construction from across the country, all to give one discarded house a second chance.
No front steps. Just gonna build my own steps here. Oh. Okay, I can't do that every time. We gotta fix those.
Hey, Ricky. My name's Armand. Welcome to the East 110th Habitat Loctite house.
Armand is an all-knowing Habitat for Humanity site supervisor.
Let's see what your supervisor
All right,
here.
come on in. Here we are in the dining room. We have an opening here for the new windows that are going in.
So my grandmother grew up 2 streets over. My mom was born and raised down the street. I swear every single house in this neighborhood had this.
Yep, these are built-in curios and drawers. It's still in good shape after all this time, so we're gonna keep it, just refinish it.
I'm bugging because my grandmother's house is like a museum. Like, I could see the pictures of me in
curio
there,
pieces, yep.
the church fans and Martin Luther King stuff and all that stuff. So
Yep.
that's cool.
So here we go. On the wall here are the architect plans. On the second floor upstairs, we're doing a lot of rework. We're putting in walls and adding a bathroom.
So it's like the soul of the house is still here,
Yes.
but it's getting a makeover, if you will.
Right, it's getting modernized to be up to our standards. We're gonna actually be demoing this wall down to the studs. We're also putting in energy-saving measures all over the place. We'll be insulating each cavity of the wall. They'll be sealed. Back in the 20s, they didn't have the same kind of energy efficiency.
So the cool thing about this house, not only are you repurposing this house, but you're also using new technology and new thought processing to make this house even better than it was before.
Right.
Oh, wait a minute. It's the chute. We had one of these growing up.
The milk chute.
Oh my God. I got my first ever spanking. I actually climbed through one of these because my sister wasn't answering the door. And then my mom was like, oh, you scared your sister, da-da-da-da. But I haven't seen one of these in 30, 40 years.
Yeah, this still has it after all this time. Someone's asked if they could have all the hardware because they want to recreate it.
If they don't want it, I
Gotcha.
don't know if I can fit, but I'm gonna try. This is exciting. I'm glad I saw the tour.
Yeah.
But we do have a lot of work to do. I think we're gonna have some special friends come in to help us out.
Sounds good.
Chris, Javon, let's go! Woo! My squad, Greg, put it right there. Let's go. Loctite has assembled an all-star renovation team to create the Second Chance crew, made up of influential DIY experts and upcyclers, the best of the best professional renovators, knowledgeable Loctite volunteers, and the dedicated Habitat construction crew.
You guys know why we're here. One thing only. Go in here and rehab this house. Give it a second chance. I'm not good at this. You guys are. We are DIYers, we are remodelers, we are volunteers, but more importantly, we are here to give this house a second chance. Bring it in, guys. Second chance on 3. 1, 2, 3. Second chance!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. They don't make them like this anymore.
Ooh, cool.
Blueprints, whole new wallpaper
baby
design,
blueprint.
Jesse.
I got
Whole
you.
new wallpaper.
Wallpaper.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna go upstairs.
This might be my favorite room already.
Yeah, this is
This
big
is
space.
sweet.
Oh, it's so cool.
No.
I know people love to build new, but there's nothing like restoring an entire house.
I mean, you're saving history. I mean, think about the craftsmanship that went into this 100-some years ago.
Now that floor originally had a lot of water damage. This house was actually at a condemned status. There's still remnants of the notice on the front where this was about to be knocked down as a house.
The house has way more issues than I could have ever imagined.
We might have bit off more than we could chew, but it's only one way to find out.
Let's go. Where's my hat? I need a sledgehammer. I'm ready. Come on. Next time on Loctite's Second Chance House is Demo Day. We'll roll up our sleeves and getting dirty, and I'm sure we'll find a few surprises hiding for us throughout this renovation. Follow along to see how the Second Chance crew takes on this challenge and puts together a new vision for this home.